14 hours at a table in Islamabad produced no deal. 12 time zones away, a company released an AI model that can decode brain signals into words. 2 stories. 1 question. What actually moves the world forward? The rooms where people negotiate, or the tools they build while they wait? For 3 rounds across 14 grueling hours, diplomats from the US and Iran sat across from each other in Pakistan's capital. They left without a formal agreement. A stalled negotiation is not a failure. It is the diplomatic system absorbing friction exactly as it was designed to do. The core obstacle remains Iran's nuclear program, yet both sides made a quiet, crucial commitment. They agreed to return to the table. The corridor stays open. For the local teams and journalists on the ground, that willingness to keep talking is the hardest kind of progress. It means the system is holding the line. Resilience at this scale does not require an immediate agreement. It requires maintaining a secure global perimeter, buying the rest of the world the time and space to function. While diplomats worked the long table, a different kind of perimeter faced its own stress test. OpenAI disclosed a supply chain compromise in Axios, a popular open-source HTTP client library. To understand the stakes, look at the dependency tree. Axios sees over 45 million weekly downloads, embedded deep inside millions of global applications. The threat was contained immediately. The community identified the vulnerability, deployed a patch within 48 hours, and confirmed 0 user data exfiltrations. The mechanism that stopped the breach is called dependency locking. It is a simple configuration step that freezes the specific versions of the code a project uses, protecting downstream applications from upstream vulnerabilities. Compare that rapid 48-hour software remediation cycle to the 14-hour stalemate in Islamabad. Both are necessary velocities of resilience. These digital security incidents act as routine immune responses. Every patch strengthens the global open-source infrastructure and makes the next attack harder to execute. That immune response extends far beyond enterprise developers at OpenAI. It reaches right down to students and new entrants building their very first applications. When a vulnerability is disclosed publicly, it triggers a massive, decentralized education event. Thousands of junior developers suddenly learn how to secure their code in real time. They open their terminals, audit their package versions, and validate their configuration files. They practice exactly what it takes to push a project safely to a live server. A localized threat becomes a permanent upgrade for the whole ecosystem. The knowledge of how to build securely gets democratized. When the macro systems hold the line, and the microsystems patch the cracks, people get the stability they need to build. Right as those diplomatic talks stalled in Islamabad, Meta quietly shipped Tribe V2, a highly advanced predictive foundation model. This diagram shows how the model maps human cognition. It tracks how the brain processes visual, auditory, and linguistic stimuli, and can actually translate those biological signals into readable data patterns. Meta Superintelligence Labs then followed up with Muse Spark. It is the first step in a new family of models designed to bring superintelligence down to the individual level, tailoring an AI entirely to you. For the journalist reporting on those stalled diplomatic talks, these tools provide seamless cross-lingual drafting, letting her verify complex Farsi idioms while writing in English. For the developer who just learned to lock her code dependencies, these models allow her to rapidly deploy a secure community health application without friction. These AI models are tools designed to take the intention of a single person and amplify what they can achieve. The long tables and the code audits do the quiet work of absorbing the world's friction. They hold the structure together, which leaves the rest of us free to log on, write the next line of code, and build the future.